Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I'm going to do a walk around of this brand new 2021 Toyota diesel pneumatic forklift, model number 8FDU18. Now this truck is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a 3,500 pound base capacity, and it runs on diesel. You'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics with that automatic tilt level button. And while I'm on this side, I'll show you that it has a couple of other great creature comforts, including this clipboard right here, clipboard holder, as well as your cup holder. And we have that forward-facing blue safety spotlight that is key activated. I love these safety spotlights. They have saved me a couple of times. Now, coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Looking at the forks, these are 48-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need 42-inch, we can make that happen. Now, looking at the tires, you can see that these are black traction, solid pneumatic tires, and I want to show you these forward-facing ultra bright LED headlights. Those are a great safety feature to have. Coming inside of the cabin, we have more safety features, including those dual rear view mirrors. We also have this full suspension seat, which is fully adjustable in terms of forward, backward, and in terms of incline. And you can see on that back pillar that we have that rear pillar assist handle with the horn, which is a great safety feature for your operator. On the back, we have even more safety features, including that yellow strobe, as well as this key-activated blue safety spotlight, which you will adjust for your needs. And we also have those combination lights on top, which show you not only the brakes, as well as your turn signals. There we go. And they also show you the reverse, and you'll hear that backup alarm as well. Now this truck is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.